Alex take her first few steps.
I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen. And try to make it happen.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are heading to IKEA. Haven't been there in a while since my sister traumatized me. Last time we were there for so long and we were so hungry and so tired, but we shall go again. If you don't know that we just moved, well, we just moved. If you want to know more about that, you can click the link in the description box below and I'll take you to my other video where I tell you all about it. Anyway, we're just gonna go pick up a few things, some stuff for Alex's room, a few things for the living room, and that will be that. And I just thought I'd bring you guys along because the sun is out, the sky is blue, it's beautiful, and so are you. Let's go. Is your cookie yummy? Yummy? Yes? No? Not yummy? Yes? No? Okay. Made it to IKEA. How do you feel? We fed him. I don't see what the problem is.
That's $39. Works.
And you can't keep trying to take their stuff off.
And you got to if you want to see how it works.
No, you don't. Stop.
Yeah, I do.
Take it
There it
off.
goes. Okay. Oh, there's a little hole in there. Bigger than last man. Now I gotta get it back on.
Aaron, that's what you did. I'm walking away from you right now.
There it goes. Oh, you know why? Because they didn't put it together right. It's supposed to easily just fit up in the wall, but they drilled the hole with the drill right.
You can't blame this on someone else. You don't over here taking stuff apart.
5 hours later.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Sir?
leave me alone.
Sir, can you call security? Sir. You're gonna just leave it. What did you do? It was hanging up there. Why'd you go mess it with it again?
This wasn't perfect.
I'm just gonna offer you a hand.
That's not funny. This is cool too. Listen.
You know what else is cool? Not touching things you're not supposed to touch. You knocked the whole freaking thing down and can put the thing back up. I am so lost. This is a maze. I have no clue where we are.
This is in our budget. It's $139.
I like that a lot. That's cute.
The doors already come on it. It's already stable and sturdy and everything. It's $139.
What's the catch?
It's $139.
What's the length and the width?
Oh, this works.
And the height?
I'm not worried about the height, but
I
yeah,
am.
the height works. Oh, you don't want it to come over the fridge? Like
I do want it to come over the fridge.
Yeah.
I don't want to see the fridge.
I don't want to see it at all, and you won't. The fridge is about right here.
Huh. This one is a better buy then. It's cheaper, right?
No, the other one's $129.
Well, this is more like with the style that we have, though.
Yeah, it is. Stress and everything.
So we can agree on this one then?
Yeah. I like it.
I'm excited! Look at the aftermath. Look what Aaron did.
Stop.
Aaron did that. Aaron did it. Everyone knows Aaron knocked the whole shelf down.
Look, it rolls. It rolls. Roll it back, Amber. Roll it back. Roll it back.
call me Walmart.
Okay, so hers for that space that she was at, 35 long. This is perfect.
No, whoa, whoa.
The size is perfect.
Aaron, hold
Oh, you
on.
want it to be...
Because that's not the one that I picked out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, hello, me again. Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.
5 hours later.
Hey guys, so it's been several hours that we've been back home. Aaron's been working on putting the stuff together. I got dinner ready, and then I got sidetracked by with painting these items that I've just had that I wanted to paint. So I didn't get everything done, but we'll get there. I don't even know like what I was able to capture today, but I'll show you guys the completed furniture that Aaron builds probably in another vlog.
The next day.
So excuse my appearance. However, we just saw Alex take her first few steps. She took like 3 steps. Let's see if she'll do it again.
The next day.
Come on. Let go. Oh, there you go. Stay up, stay up. Come on.
You got it. You got it. You don't come to me. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You know how to do it?
Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. She's like, nah, I don't think so, Dad.